It's his first time swimming with his life jacket.
Hold on, we're going to go up a little farther and then you can swim to Grandma.
Oh, if you want the video in the right upper corner.
Okay, go. Mommy.
There you go. There he goes. Vivian, you got to move your elbow a little bit. There he goes. Woohoo! You made it. Okay, go back, Daddy. Vivian, you're in the thing. There he goes.
Oh, this current is really strong.
It's very strong.
Come on.
That's why he likes coming to me, because it's downstream.
Say, Joshua, say, I'm swimming.
First time ever.
Say, wave hello.
Oh. He's too
There he goes.
Show us jumping, boy. Very good.
Oh, good arms. Good arms, Joshua.
Good.
Oh, I can almost touch the bottom there.
Okay.
A little bit longer.
We're gonna.
Okay, come on.
How about you go in?
No, I'm tired.
Here we go. Get a good deal. Get a good deal.
Whoa!
We have stuff.
You're like I.
We have stuff.
Hold on. Let me get up here a little bit. We're going to give you a good swim to Grandma. Okay, turn around. Here we go.
Well, I tell you the way we do it in my town is that we can see the eyes.
Come on, you come to Grandma. Yeah.
Good arms.
Good.
Good arms, Josh.
Good arm and leg kicking. Okay.
Okay, come on.
Can you hold
You're going to have to kick hard. The water's moving really fast.
Can you record
Doing pretty good.
please?
Okay,
I
come
want
on.
to get in.
Yeah, I do too, but I'm holding her drink.
You're almost there.
Just stop it then, Mac, Vivian. Stop Grandma's. Say, I'm a swimming boy.
I don't need to do the bike ride.
Okay.
I'll just do this.
Hey, Joshua, say, I'm a swimming boy.
I'm putting.
Bye-bye.
Duck your face.
No.
Come on, for the camera. Yeah!
Yay!